Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 30th. Yes, October the 30th, Saturday, October the 30th. We have here one regular Sudoku, well actually two, but the first one is a Sudoku Medium and the second one is a Quintuplet. And I've told you earlier I won't do quintuplets anymore. It will take me more than an hour to solve. I only post a link of this PDF file below this medium Sudoku. So we have one regular Sudoku, and we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a tectonic. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles, and I won't do them all today. No, only 3 of them I will solve. And Sunday we have no newspaper. I will solve the rest of the puzzles. So now it's time for the medium Sudoku. Yes, again, the daily practice continues. And this one will be number 3611. Yes, 3611. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. Let me focus there. Yes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudoku's in additional. This will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. All right. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and a 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. Then. How about? Let me see. 8, 6. Four. 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 3, 6. 666. Okay. 6 3 6 3 and a 2. Then. How about 2? 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Okay. 4, 4, and 2, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 2, 8, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We see here the 7 and the 9 in this row, the last row. So no 7 and the 9 in this box. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and the 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Okay. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay. 1, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Well, we have a 5 and a 3 in this column. So no 5 and a 3 in this box. The 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Okay, now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. The 2 is missing, yes. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 1 and 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We see here 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Then let me think. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Then 7, 7 in this last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 7, 7, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4. Yes. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Correct. I'm faster than the time limit, so I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Yeah, let me do that. I will solve the additional puzzles right on. Yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.